Fall in love with the bad guy, I guarantee that's a wrong night. Fall in love with that guy, that's a wrong fight. Energy's not destroyed, ayy. Energy's just transferred, ayy. I'm loving that hate and I wanna debate, and your lifestyle is the worst, just a little bit. Here's a tidbit, ayy. Sweatlot, gotta win again. Be careful who you creep with, careful who you sleep with. Loose lip sync ship, I'm moving on some G shit. I'm fixing the problem, I need a solution. I got me protection, I got me a shooter. I'm grinding and shining, can't even dispute it. Hey, I'm fixing the problem, I need a solution. I got me protection, I got me a shooter. I'm grinding and shining, can't even dispute it. Hey, 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 I might just loot it. Hey, hey, don't be so stupid. Hey, hey, I might just loot it. Hey, Energy 88. Yeah. Energy 88. Yeah. Energy 88.
So the moment you see that intervals, that space is connective, you can understand at once how you are not just to be exclusively defined as a flash of consciousness that occurs between two eternal darkness, which is the popular common sense view which Western man has of his own life.